This is a screen of the API key space where you can create APIs on Stripe. You will need one of these API keys further on during our demo if you would like to create your own connection between Stripe and any other meshed API you would like through setIPIO.
On the left here, we're going to click on the API key provided by Stripe. And then on the right here, we go to our editor and we add Stripe trigger. And we will create a new credential for Stripe. So we paste here our key. And now that we are identified to Stripe through that key here, we will be able to access events from Stripe that will be automatically propagated to your node. So here's a list of Stripe events that you can filter through, so you don't get all of them, but some of them only. There's a pretty rich list of events that you can subscribe to. So let's say that we will subscribe to all events. And then we just close the window and that part is done. Account setup property, we want to connect anything that happens into Stripe to a Mongo database. So we're going to add a Mongo node here. We're going to choose an existing Stripe and we will insert it into the Stripe table. That's it for now. So now, that's not it. We still need to connect the Stripe node to the Mongo node. And each time an event will come into Stripe, there will be a new entry into the Stripe database into MongoDB that contains all the information that is the JSON information that Stripe is sending us.